Welcome back to my channel, traders, and today I'm going to talk about the RSI indicator, which is you guys know very well. This is the popular tool that is used in the technical analysis and for identifying trading opportunities, right? Okay. However, like any other tool, the RSI indicator has its weaknesses that traders must be aware of to avoid the problems that they can face, and they can simply save themselves from the poor trading that they can face in the future. Okay, so we will dive into the weak points of the RSI indicator, and I will show you that how to use it effectively to improve your trading results. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So before I continue into the further into the video, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program. If you're interested in learning the price action just in 1 hour, no time waste, then you can book your session with me. You can find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And guys, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, this is one of the regulated brokers that offers you variety of trading accounts. I have given the link in the description of the video below. Okay guys, so this is the simple RSI that is attached on my chart. If you just write RSI on TradingView, so this is the first one. So mostly traders use this one. Okay, so as you know that this is the overbought levels of the market, this is the oversold levels of the market, but we are going to talk about it in a different way. So so most of the traders, they sell from here, they buy from here, and when the market is crossing the 50 level, then still they buy, and when the market is crossing down below the 50 level, they sell. So we are going to talk about the important points of this indicator, so that you should be a part, must have the knowledge of that thing. Okay, one common mistake that traders normally do is relying only on the RSI indicator to make their trading decisions. Okay, so this is quite wrong, guys. Please understand, this is wrong. The RSI is just one tool among many others. Like you can see, if you go to the indicator section, and even if you write RSI, and then you will be able to find a lot of RSI based indicators, and in the different ways. Some are providing you oscillators. I don't know. There are a lot of stuff that you can easily find on TradingView. But the problem is that if we use the RSI indicator only alone, like this, that it is already attached on my screen, then then there is a problem that it can lead to the false signals. And normally you guys know very well, because you guys use the RSI, so it's crucial to use the RSI in conjunction with the other indicators. So what could be the possible good indicators that we can use in conjunction with the RSI? So guys, I will recommend you support and resistance levels indicator. That's the best one. Okay, you can take the help from the trend line. So what support and resistance level I have also made, you can use this one. That what I like are the two. You can see support resistance MTF and the support by loan something, and the dynamic V2. Somehow this is good, but there was one other indicator right now, I don't exactly remember. Okay, so that was, I think, by Ricardo. Okay, this one. So guys, this is the best indicator that I personally like for the support and resistance, V0 Ricardo. So you can use this indicator in combination with the RSI. Okay, so do not just trigger the signals based on this. Okay, the second thing, that you can take helpline from the trend lines. Okay, how you can take the helpline from the trend lines? So let me explain that part. So for example, look, what is the trend going on right now? So it looks like the trend is getting changed. We are going up. Okay, now when we are going up, then you should be looking for the buying opportunities by following the same rules that you are already doing for the RSI. Okay, so for example, right now this is overbought, but still you can see that the divergence is still into you can see the market on the RSI is still bullish. So it means that something is wrong. So I will not explain much harder on the trend lines in this video and support resistance, but I am going to provide you with the general guidelines. Okay, so you can use the support and resistance and some volume indicators. There are a lot of volume indicators on TradingView. You can simply search, and they will provide you with they will show you the volume here, that when the market is providing the huge volume, you can use that one. You can use the money flow indicator as well. Okay, so another pitfall is ignoring the broader market context while using the RSI. Okay, So this is another problem that where the traders make the mistake. The RSI measures the momentum of an asset, but it doesn't take into account your overall market conditions. That's the simple answer. Okay, so why? Because it does not consider your fundamental factors that can impact the market on a bigger time frames, on the bigger picture. So you know that this is the quite we cannot ignore the fundamental factor because they have a heavy impact on the price movements. Okay, so traders should consider the bigger picture, use the RSI with fundamental analysis, so that you should not be caught into the false signals that are caused by the external factors. Okay, so I hope that this point that I have tried to show you must be clear for you. Okay. Now let's talk about the settings. If we go to the settings, then if we go to the input section, okay, the RSI length is the MA length is 14 into 2. Okay, now just keep this video in your mind. Maybe it will be going to help you in future, and you will realize this concept in future that FX Mentor has told you this thing. Okay, now the default period is set to 14, but it may not be suitable for all time frames. So always make a proper research that which time frame trader you are. If you are a 1 hour trader, you should not be only using on the 14 minutes. So let me give you a shorter view of that. For the shorter time frames, a lower period RSI should be like 7 or 9. Now you can do some variation. You can use the multiplier 7, you can use the multiplier to 9, and then you can try this and then just note down my words. Okay, so how, because it depends on your practice that from where you are getting the good results. While if you are using the 15-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame, so what is my recommendation on that one? Okay, so for my recommendation on that one, so if you are using the higher time frame, then if we go to the settings again, and you know that this length is by default 14, so better you should use two lengths. That could be the 21 and that could be the 30 length. So I will advise these two lengths that they are going to and moreover, traders should adjust their RSI settings according to their time frame they are trading to improve their effectiveness. Okay, so this is not only the word that I have given you, but you will get the benefit from it. But if you are going to use it in another ways, that is also helpful, right? Okay. Now falling into account for the overbought and oversold conditions. If we talk about that level, the RSI is often used to identify overbought and oversold conditions, but traders need to be very careful about relying only on those signals. Okay, so you cannot say that right now the market has reached to the overbought levels, now it is only supposed to go down. This is wrong. Okay, because I have seen many times that it can work against you in strongly trending markets. So what you will do when the market is very strong trending into the upward direction, so here you can see that the market was pushed down, but what you will do when the market will be into the strong trending markets, you cannot control it. The RSI can remain in overbought, so it will stay here. If you do not have the idea about it, you will get the idea of while trading during the fundamentals, that you will see that you will, okay, look at here, this is example, as per the RSI you were overbought, but you can see this is strongly going into the upward side. That's what I want to teach you. Okay, now the RSI can remain in overbought for the longer period of time and extended periods as well, so leading to the false signals. So how you will trade at that point? This is the very bad problem about the RSI. Okay, traders should consider other factors such as the trend strength and price action. So guys, that's why I always say that price action is your friend. Even if you have a price action knowledge, you can find out the mistakes from any indicators on TradingView, and that's what I provide in my coaching session. Okay, and you can avoid premature entries and exits by using it. And the fifth point that I want to highlight is finally neglecting proper risk management is a significant mistake while using the RSI indicator or any other indicator that you are using from the TradingView indicator section. That's not a problem. The RSI is not a foolproof and can generate false signals resulting in the losses. The traders should always use stop losses Set appropriate position size and follow a disciplined trading plan to manage the trading effectively. So guys, always use the stop loss, always use the proper risk management. So while conducting the coaching sessions, I have realized with my students that first of all they executed a trade with the 1 lot size, the second trade is going with the 4 lot size, the third trade is going with the 6 lot size. They are using martingale. This is not good. Okay, this should be avoided. So guys, in this video I have highlighted you the main points, and let's talk about the conclusion of this video. Okay, so guys, traders, remember that RSI is a valuable tool for identifying potential trading opportunities, but it has its weaknesses, right? By avoiding these common mistakes that I have discussed in this video, the common mistakes such as over reliance on RSI, ignoring market context, not adjusting for the different time frames, failing to account for overbought and oversold conditions, and not using proper risk management. You can use the RSI. You can use the RSI effectively to improve your trading results. Okay, if you found this video to be helpful, then please do not forget to give a thumb up to the FX Mentor US channel and subscribe the channel. And for more informative trading tips, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. So guys, thank you very much. Happy trading. And guys, if you're willing to book your 1-hour sessions with me, then please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.